Oh, you have a nice room. You have very, very nice room. Walla. Ano ba yan, be? Nagre-record ako eh.
Wala akong pakialam kung nag-record ka.
Walla, inshallah, mashallah. Hello everyone! Welcome back sa aking channel. Ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ginagamit ang walla, inshallah, at mashallah. Ito ay tatlong words na ginagamit ng mga Arabic speaker sa Middle East at kahit saan pang bansa na merong Arabic speaker. Okay. Inshallah is being used when you want to say something like you will go, you will see her, you will see them, you will go to them. And it means if God's will or for God's willing. Like this. I hope you like your room. And call me if you like your room and you decide, okay? Yes, I will call you. I will call you. Inshallah. Inshallah, I will call you. Ang wala naman is to express that you want to promise something. Like for example, you tell someone, I will see you. And then you need to say at the end, Walla. That's it. I am telling the truth. Walla. Walla, I'm telling the truth. I am not lying. Walla. Walla, I'm telling the truth. Walla. Walla. Ang mashallah ay ginagamit way of appreciation. Ibig sabihin, God has willed it. And kailangan mong sabihin ang mashallah pag mayroon kang binanggit na isang tao. Like halimbawa, wow, you have a very nice room. And you have a very beautiful wife. Mashallah, mashallah. At yun lang, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. At kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe sa akin channel, baka naman pindutin nyo na ang pulang buton. And i-click nyo lang ang notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga bagong uploads. Okay. Walla. Mag-upload ako soon, inshallah. So yun guys, I will teach you how and where and when to use three Arabic words, inshallah, walla, mashallah. Oh, you have a nice room. You have very, very nice room. Walla. Ano ba yan, be? Nagre-record ako eh.
Wala akong pakialam kung nag-record ka.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.